It's a gentleman. This one. This is how to form some sentences and question in French. A simple sentence construction in French or in English consists of at least so a subject and a verb. Beyond that, it may include an object, noun, an adjective, and an adverb. The sentence: Elle porte une jolie robe. Elle porte une jolie robe. Elle porte une jolie robe. She's wearing a pretty dress. Has a subject. The subject of that sentence is a feminine. The subject is a feminine singular. The subject is elle. She, elle, feminine singular. Indefinite article. You know. It has a subject. That sentence has a subject elle. The subject elle. Elle. So a verb. The verb of that sentence is porte. Porte. The subject elle. The verb porte. The porte. A feminine singular indefinite article. Article is une. A. Une means a. And an adjective in this sentence is jolie. Jolie. It is feminine adjective. It is in feminine form. And an object now of this sentence is robe. Robe. So the English translation of a sentence, a French sentence, may not follow the same order. The same order of the sentence. You have to understand that of the sentence component, because as mentioned earlier, French adjective can go before or after the noun. In the sentence, Charles est un garçon. Charles est un garçon. You can also say Charles est un garçon. Charles is a boy. So that sentence, okay. Charles est un garçon intelligent. Charles est un garçon intelligent. In this sentence now, the meaning is Charles is an intelligent boy. Charles is an intelligent boy. Even though the adjective intelligent comes after the noun garçon in the original sentence, but in English, intelligent comes before garçon. So, believe it or not, some grammar issues in French are easier than in English. So, in a good example of this is the way you can form questions. Like use intonation by raising your voice at the end of your statement. If you are asking a question, you raise up your voice at the end of your statement. Like here now, vous avez, we started our sentence from here. Vous avez un ticket? This one now, as it is a question, you will not say vous avez un ticket. No, you raise up your voice at the end of the question. Vous avez un ticket? Do you have a ticket? Vous avez un ticket? Another one. Add est-ce que to the beginning of the phrase. Est-ce que vous avez un ticket? Est-ce que vous avez un ticket? It also means, do you have a ticket? Do you have a ticket? If a word beginning with a vowel follows est-ce que, it becomes est-ce que, and that que, you remove the E and put apostrophe. For example, est-ce qu'elle a un ticket? Est-ce qu'elle a un ticket? Look at it here. Est-ce qu'elle a un ticket? Does she have a ticket? Est-ce qu'elle a un ticket? What they are saying that this L starts with a vowel, and we know that this est-ce que we have E at the end. That E now here, you remove the E because the rule says that two vowels will not follow each other. So we remove the E of que and replace it by apostrophe. Sort of another the second vowel. So this easy form of questioning are valid no matter what tense of the verb is, whether it is present or past or future. You ask a question. That's the simplest way to ask a question. There are some other way to ask questions in French, but that one is the simplest way to ask a question. So let us stop this one here. Simplest way to